You're looking for the best and cheapest SMM services in the world. Look no further than nsboostbd.com. With years of experience and expertise in the social media marketing industry, nsboostbd.com is the go-to SMM panel for all your social media needs. From increasing your followers to boosting your engagement, nsboostbd.com has got you covered. Why choose nsboostbd.com for your SMM needs? nsboostbd.com stands out from the competition for a number of reasons. First and foremost, they offer the best prices on the market, making it easy for anyone to afford top-quality SMM services. Whether you're a small business owner looking to grow your online presence or a social media influencer trying to increase your following, nsboostbd.com has packages that are perfect for you. The benefits of using nsboostbd.com for SMM1. Quality services. nsboostbd.com prides itself on providing high-quality SMM services that deliver real results. You can trust that your social media accounts are in good hands with their team of experts. 2. Fast delivery. Need a quick boost in followers or engagement? nsboostbd.com offers fast delivery times, so you can see the results of their services in no time. 3. Excellent customer support. Have a question or concern about your SMM services?